Take responsibility for your actions. It's the first step towards personal growth. Embrace failure as a learning opportunity. It's a stepping stone to success. Practice gratitude daily. It shifts your focus to the positives in life. Surround yourself with people who uplift and support you. They're your tribe. Pursue your passions relentlessly. They fuel your soul. Learn to forgive others, but also forgive yourself. It's essential for inner peace. Stay true to your values. They're your compass in life. Take time for self-reflection. It leads to self-awareness and growth. Cultivate empathy. It strengthens your connections with others. Be open to new experiences. They broaden your perspective and enrich your life. Don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Vulnerability is a strength. Practice mindfulness. It grounds you in the present moment. Set boundaries. They protect your time, energy, and well-being. Celebrate your progress. No matter how small, every step forward counts. Find joy in the little things. They're often the most meaningful. Trust your intuition. It's your inner wisdom speaking to you. Focus on what you can control, and let go of what you can't. Take care of your physical health. It's the foundation of your well-being. Seek out opportunities for growth and learning. They keep life exciting and fulfilling. Practice patience. Good things take time to unfold. Choose kindness in every interaction. It has a ripple effect on the world. Be adaptable. Life is full of surprises and changes. Don't compare your journey to others. Focus on your own path. Express love and appreciation for those you care about. It nourishes your relationships. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. They make you stronger. Find balance in all aspects of your life. It leads to harmony and fulfillment. Live with intention and purpose. It gives meaning to your actions. Remember that setbacks are temporary. Keep moving forward with resilience. Take time to rest and recharge. Self-care is essential for your well-being. Trust the process of life. Everything happens for a reason, even if it's not immediately apparent. If you like the message of this video, leave your comment, writing which quote you like the most. There are other messages from other authors that you will certainly like to see and reflect on.